Hi all, today in my kitchen I've made prawns mango curry or Chemmen Manga curry. It's a traditional dish from Kerala. The raw mangoes gives a light tangy flavor to the dish which is absolutely amazing. Let's start. You need 1 cup of coconut grated, 4 big garlic cloves chopped and 1 inch of ginger chopped, 4 shallots and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add this into a mixie jar. And you need 1.5 teaspoon of dhania powder, that is coriander powder, and 3 teaspoon of chili powder. Here I have added 1 cup of water, that is 250 ml cup. Grind this into a fine paste. Here I have taken the clay pot, that is manchatti, but you can make in any kadai. I have taken 500 gram of deveined clean prawns. I am adding 1 cup of water and half teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt to taste. Close the lid and cook. When it starts to boil, add 1 medium size of raw mango. Add raw mango according to the sourness. And here I am adding 2 drumstick and 6 green chilli. Add the green chilli according to your spice and 2 strands of curry leaves. Mix it. Now I am adding 1 more cup of water. The water should be of same level of drumstick and mango so that it cook well. Close the lid and cook it in medium-low flame. Now open the lid and check. The drumstick and raw mango is cooked well and both the drumstick and raw mango has released its flavor. Add the coconut paste. Now add the small tomato. This I am adding just for flavor. Adding tomato is optional. If you don't want, you can skip it. Add 1 cup of water into a mixie jar and take out all the remaining. And add salt to taste and close the lid and cook. In between, give it a stir. Now open the lid. Now curry has been cooked well and the curry consistency is not too thick or not too thin and everything has been cooked well and you can see that drumstick is holding a shape. This is the right consistency. When it cools down, the curry gets little thick. So this is the time to switch off the flame. For seasoning, take small kadai. In that add coconut oil and half teaspoon of mustard. When it splutter, add 2 pinch of feenugreek, that is ulva, and add 4 to 5 shallots, 3 dry red chilli and 1 strand of curry leaves. Instead of shallot, you can use the onion. Wherever shallots I am using, instead of that you can add onion. Beautiful and delicious prawns manga curry is ready. If you like the recipe, please do consider to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.